You ever seen a cat that likes to fight? Check this motherfucking cat out right here. My sister said. Watch this. I'll smack your ass. I'll smack your ass. I'll smack your ass. What you would do about it? What you would do about it? You wanna fight? You wanna fight? Huh? What you wanna do? Do something. Do something. Come on with it. Come on. Come on, you bad. Come on, you bad. You're crazy. You crazy.
Stop.
You crazy. Look at her. Like she, like, what you gonna do? What? Do something. Do something. I'll smack your ass. I'll smack your ass. Yeah, that's alright. What you gonna do? Huh?
Get out.
You wanna fight? You tough? You need some hind legs to kick me off for you now, huh? Yeah. You tough. You tough. You tough. Do something. Do something. Huh? Sound like Papa,
He was like, no.
You're really crazy. Now, you got two people. What you gonna do? What? 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 You what? 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 She tough. Look, she get drunk trying to handle both of us. What? What you gonna do? 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 We got to fuck you up. What you gonna do? Huh? I just don't want her to jump on my damn face. She look at my head. She always done fuck my shit up. Then, Roxy Soxy. Roxy Soxy. Oh, now you want to talk shit? Why you fighting? You want to talk shit? Why you fighting? I got your back. I got your back. I got your back. You gonna put that foot up there. Come on, do something. You gonna bite me? You gonna bite me? Huh? 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 Quit biting me, bitch. Quit biting me. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? You about to fall off the couch and shit. You tough? You tough? Look, she a fighter. You tough though. Don't hit me from the back.